Wait.
Is it?
I think. Could this? Is this fireworks?
Money just changed everything.
BFF.
I wonder how life without it would
We
go.
haven't talked to you in so long.
Knew that a
I
flower
miss
would
you.
grow.
Well, before we
Looking
start,
down from the top
we
and
need to
it's
go to
crowded
Skype mode.
below. My 15 minutes
I don't want
started an
anybody
hour
knowing
ago.
that this is
Truth
me.
over fake.
Nobody
You know
needs
I
to know
respect
that this is me,
relationship.
alright? This
When I
needs to
hear
be
him
on the
talking, I
down
just
low,
don't know what to
okay?
make of
Alright.
it. Hate is so familiar to me, I'm
So we
slowly
really miss
embracing
you.
it. Doesn't come natural. Bear with me,
And
it could
we were
take a
thinking
bit.
of you,
Yeah.
and so
And my dreams
we
are
were
one
like,
racing
hey,
with, but
I
you can
haven't
see
been
I'm
here
pacing
forever
it so that I'm always
because
chasing
Abby's
it.
mom hates me
Waiting for right here,
because
that's who
I don't know
get
why.
paid with. hope
Yeah.
that my
I guess something
success
that happened
never
this summer with
alters our
Skype mode or something. I don't really know.
relationship.
I don't know what happened anyway. But,
And
My
my lips are really glossy.
Anyway,
Anyway,
so we really miss you, and I think
we
I'm
wanted
gonna
to
play you a song.
on the piano. So we're gonna start right now, right? We made it up for you and everything.
Yeah. All right, BFF. Oh no, turn it up.
Oh yeah.
All right.
Okay.
All right.
You ready for this? Go. You start.
BFF, I miss you so much. I can't wait to feel your touch.
Because you are an inspiration in my life. And one day I will be your wife. Ta-da! Okay.
So
Last thing on the agenda for tonight is our